If you're looking for a delicious sauce to dip your fries, your onion rings, or even put on your hamburger, then keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as I had mentioned, I have been looking for a sauce to put like on my steak and my chicken. I no longer eat French fries or onion rings or anything like that just because of being recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. But I want some kind of sauce that I can eat that's going to really add some flavor. And I love the Outback Bloomin' Onion sauce. And this is a copycat recipe. I saw it on Miss in the Kitchen, and I will link the recipe in the description box. So please go check their blog out because they have wonderful recipes over there, and I would appreciate it if you would do that. But I'm going to go ahead and make that recipe today, and I thought I can dip my chicken in it. I can put it on my hamburger, even my steak or pork. Who knows? But anyway, I thought I'd give it a try. So let's quickly go over all the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so we have some oregano, some granulated garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, ketchup, mayo, cumin, smoked paprika, and prepared horseradish sauce. And friends, that's all the ingredients we're going to be using. Alright, my friends, we're going to start with a half a cup of mayo. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'm making a mess with my ketchup. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of prepared horseradish. It's going to be spicy. Okay. Oh, almost knocked that off the counter. Okay. And then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Half a teaspoon of the granulated garlic, and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. I'm doing actually a little bit less because I am not a huge fan of cumin. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And friends, that is it. Now let's mix it together. All right, friends, that is it. Is that crazy or what? That is all there is to it. All right, we're gonna go ahead, put the lid on. We're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. All right, my friends, please excuse my hair. I was sitting there editing an Aldi video and had my glasses on and forgot. So here we go. I just put some in a smaller dish. Let's go ahead and give this a little taste test. There we go. I'm getting a little bit of everything in there. Oh my. I'm not supposed to be eating onion rings. This was really good. A tad bit salty. Well, a little bit, but friends. It's not exactly like the Outback dipping bloomin' onion sauce that I can remember anyway. It's been a long time. It may be. I honestly don't know. I just know it's good. really, really good. And I'm not supposed to be eating these onion rings. Yeah, they're good. It's really good. I love it. I'm gonna enjoy this with some onion and some on a burger and top it with that. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna have my husband taste it when he gets home, and I'll put right here on the screen what he thought of it. I can definitely taste the horseradish in there, so it's a little bit of a kick in there, but man, friends, French fries dipped in here. This is really, really good. Really good. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button. Friends, subscribing truly, truly helps me out. Sharing my videos, if you don't mind, please share them with your friends. I am trying to grow my community. I would love to reach about 4,000 subscribers by the end of December, by the end of 2024. And by you sharing, subscribing, hitting the like button, commenting is just going to help me a great deal. So I would really appreciate it if you could help me out. Also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.